That's a pickle.
Oh god, it's so nasty. Do you think it's done? Oh, I can smell it right through the microwave. I think it's already done. Alright. After you. How does it smell? Oh god, it burned to the napkin. Oh no, put it to the camera. Let's see.
Oh,
Ew! It's a pickle. Is it like a chip?
I don't know.
Can you break it? Ew. Oh god! You ready?
Ready for what? Oh god.
Oh!
Oh.
Oh my god.
Tastes like a fucking salty chip.
Hey, wait a minute. Hey, you still got more to go here. Dude, that is like really chippy. Ew. You gotta eat that. Oh, yay! Come on, you can do it.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh.
Chew it.
Oh.
What about that one? What about that one right there? Can I get a close up of you?
That's for you.
What?
That's for you.
No. Oh, dude! Dude, that's pretty good.
It has an aftertaste
Of what?
of the pickle juice.
Oh, it's like a salty cake, dude. Oh. Let's microwave all these up, man. All right.